challenge, curiosity, and joy. And they deserve a school home that does the same. It's time to pick up the pace.
The Accelerate Pace capital campaign includes the Kam Memar Lower School, updates to the lower school classroom building, and the restoration and renovation of Pace's historic castle. The two phases of this $50 million undertaking will create spaces where innovative instruction, creative exploration, and the sense of family that defines the Pace experience thrive like never before.
Conceived by TVS Design and award-winning residential designer William T. Baker, the three-story, 36,500 square foot Kam Memar Lower School will adjoin the existing classroom building and open in fall of 2021.
At nearly 3 times the square footage of the previous building, the Kam Memar Lower School will accommodate our growing program and curriculum needs while ensuring safety, security, and accessibility for the entire lower school community.
The Kam Memar Lower School will incorporate many of the architectural elements that unite our campus while reflecting the residential character of our neighborhood. Students, faculty, and staff will access the building from 3 secure entrances, while the warmth of our community will be on display.
The updated cafeteria will annex the current music room, adding significant square footage and creating a sense of openness. Our dining services will operate out of a full kitchen, serving delicious and nutritious meals in the cafeteria line, which will be set apart from the main dining space. New lighting, windows, and finishes will complete the room's makeover.
Our lower school leadership team will welcome students, parents, and other visitors, host small group meetings, and oversee day-to-day operations from a suite of offices adjacent to the building's main entrance and reception area, a space that both encourages collaboration and maintains privacy. Down the hall, an admissions waiting area will greet prospective families eager to get to know our admissions team. Individual offices, a meeting room, and a larger conference room will provide much-needed spaces for sharing the Pace story.
From dawn to dusk, there's no shortage of activity on the Pace campus, and meeting space is at a premium. The Kam Memar Lower School will provide additional spaces for our community to gather. A 2,000 square foot multi-purpose meeting room will host everything from class plays, music performances, and parent meetings to guest speakers and seated dinners. 1,500 square foot pre-function space outside the meeting room, complete with a working fireplace, will welcome guests as they enter and allow for mixing and mingling before and after events. In addition, a long conference room filled with natural light and boasting beautiful views will serve as an alternative meeting space to the Castle Boardroom and other locations around campus.
For more than 60 years, the Pace Lower School has evoked a sense of home for our students, and the Kam Memar Lower School entryway with its open staircase will further that feeling of warmth and security. Throughout the building, students, faculty, staff, and visitors will be reminded of Pace's mission to create prepared, confident citizens of the world, and our motto, to have the courage to strive for excellence. In the classroom building, a reimagined library will bring literature and learning to life like never before. Nooks for reading, spaces for small group work, and a video conferencing area and open shelving will make the library an academic hub for students and faculty alike.
Design thinking builds awareness and understanding of real-world problems through a human-centered, hands-on, and team-based approach, a method that mandates room to explore. And the new Design Thinking Lab in the Science Classroom next door, our youngest innovators will have the tools they need to collaborate, think critically, communicate, and create. The proximity of the design thinking space to the Science Lab will increase cross-curricular collaboration, problem-solving, and innovation.
Down the hall in the Academic Resource Center, learning specialists will support each child's unique needs with a comfortable, kid-friendly common area, 3 adjacent offices, and a small testing room. The new ARC will facilitate student-faculty collaboration throughout the day.
The sounds of music will fill the lower level of the Kam Memar Lower School, which will include 2 large music classrooms to accommodate our thriving programs.
With direct access to the playground and adjoining restrooms, our 3,900 square foot multi-purpose gym will allow students to engage in the important work of play before, during, and after school. Students can also slide into our state-of-the-art outdoor space from the lower school classroom building's second-story deck and enter a series of structures designed to augment the imagination on the world's greatest playground.
With academic excellence and student wellness at the center, the Kam Memar Lower School will ensure that our lower school facilities match the quality experiences that take place inside and provide a fitting home for our faculty, students, and parents. The opening of the building in August of 2021 will complete the first phase of the Accelerate PACE campaign. After we cut the ribbon on the Kam Memar Lower School, we will launch Phase 2, which will provide for the restoration and renovation of the iconic castle, modernizing Pace's home and returning students to the school's original classroom building, with new spaces created for growing our middle and upper school STEAM, design, and robotics programs. So join us for this next chapter in Pace Academy history as we amp up
Joy, play,
giving, creativity, wellness, innovation, and community. As we, together,
Accelerate PACE.